What's up everyone? Welcome back to Replica Showcase. Today, I've got something really exciting for all the Manchester City fans out there. We're unboxing the brand new Manchester City 2025 of 26 away shirt, and trust me, this one is a beauty. From the moment you see the packaging, you know you're about to open something special. Let's dive right in and check out the details together. As soon as I take it out of the box, the first thing you notice is the bold all-black design. It's sleek, sharp, and very modern. Puma has done a great job keeping it simple but powerful. The metallic accents around the collar and the logo stand out beautifully against the black base, giving it that premium look that feels both stylish and classy. The embroidered Manchester City crest and the Puma logo add an authentic touch, which makes it feel like a real piece of club history. What I love about this shirt is how it pays tribute to the club's roots, taking inspiration from City's earliest kit back in 1884. So when you wear this, you're not just repping the current team, you're also carrying a bit of history. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this jersey. First up is comfort. This shirt is made from lightweight, breathable polyester with Puma's dry-cell technology. What that means is, whether you're playing football yourself, standing in the stadium, or just rocking it casually, the shirt is designed to keep you cool and dry. The mesh panels under the arms and along the sides are a great addition. They provide extra ventilation, so you're not overheating when the game gets intense. That's a big plus for anyone who actually plays in their jersey or wears it for long hours during match day. Another benefit is its versatility. The polo-style collar with the metallic trim makes it look smart enough to wear casually. So you can easily pair this with jeans or shorts and still look stylish. It's not just limited to the pitch, it's definitely a lifestyle piece as well. If you're looking for the perfect place to grab high-quality jerseys and trendy fashion pieces, kitsock.com is definitely worth checking out. This site has built a strong reputation for offering an impressive range of products, from the latest football kits and basketball jerseys to stylish streetwear and accessories, making it a go-to spot for both sports fans and fashion lovers. What really sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. Every item you see on the site is crafted with attention to detail and premium quality, so you're not just getting a jersey, you're getting something that feels professional and built to last. On top of that, kitsock.com is known for its budget-friendly prices, which means you can rock your favorite team's gear or fresh streetwear without overspending. Their checkout process is